Hi, my name is Kira Proctor. My husband Chris and I are leaders with Young Living and the Essentially Powerful Oil team. Now you're probably watching this video because you've got some questions about essential oils. Maybe you've heard about Young Living and you want to learn more. Well, I hope to answer all of your questions in this quick video. We are going to talk about the value that's in this kit and a lot of other things that Young Living has to offer. First, let's talk about essential oils because it's kind of a buzzword nowadays and you're seeing them pop up everywhere. But you gotta be really careful about the oils that you're using. And that's because there's really no government regulation around essential oils in terms of what's in that bottle. So the bottle could say pure or a therapeutic grade on it, but unfortunately the companies could actually be putting a lot of other things in there and they don't have to disclose it. That can be scary because a lot of those things can be really harmful to your health. Now with Young Living, we don't have to worry about that. Young Living has a process called seed to seal. You can learn more about that at www.seedtoseal.com. But basically this means that Young Living controls the entire process, from the non-GMO seeds that we use, to the soil that the plants are planted in, to how they're cultivated and harvested, distilled and bottled. They are a completely transparent company, and if you are fortunate to live near one of the many farms that Young Living owns around the world, you can actually go there and see this process yourself, or you can check it out on the website. Now, so why is purity important? Well, because if you're going to be putting these oils on your skin, if you're going to be diffusing them in the air or in taking them internally, you want to make sure that you're only putting pure oils and nothing synthetic or harmful into your body. So let's dive into this kit and I can show you how easy it is to incorporate a lot of these into your daily life. Now, on the front of this kit, you're going to see some pictures of the Lavender farm on there. This slides right off. And when you open this, you're going to see 10 oils right there and a beautiful picture of one of the Young Living's farms. This is a lavender farm there. Now, behind this, if you pull this out, this booklet is going to go over a lot of what Young Living is about the story, about the foundation and the humanitarian work that Young Living does around the world. It's going to talk to you about the seed to seal process, about the farms that we have, and about all of the product lines that Young Living has. Now, we're talking a lot about oils today, but Young Living has a lot more to offer. There's things for kids and pets and supplements and a whole bunch of other things, so you get to read about that in there. There's also a cheat sheet in here. So if you forget everything that I'm going to talk to you about today, you can refer back to this and it'll give you some great pointers and tips on how to use your oils. So as you can see, the top row there have white labels. That means those are internal oils. That's Young Living's Vitality line, and that means you can ingest it. So let's start with lemon because it's a great way to start your day. Lemon is like sunshine in a bottle. It's very uplifting, it's energizing, it's great for the lymphatic system and for detoxing the body. So beautiful way to start your day. Now, I like to take my water in the morning, I take my oil, my Vitality oil, and I add a drop. One drop is all you need. Now, these oils are so concentrated that a little goes a very long way. And you can see how easy that is. And you drink it down. Now, there's about 85 to 100 drops in one of these 5 ml bottles. So you can imagine if you're only using a drop at a time, these bottles last a long time and they're super economical. Another internal oil that I love to add into my water is peppermint. Talk about the best breath freshener ever. You can add it into your water or even put it right underneath your tongue. I know people who even add this to their toothpaste. Now, peppermint is also really great for the digestive system. Helps keep bellies happy. So again, adding it to water, putting it into a vegetable capsule, or you can actually add 2 drops into a pan of brownies and it'll make the best brownies you've ever had. My husband likes putting this in his water before his workout routines as well. Now we're talking about digestive support. There's actually an oil in this kit that is made for digestive support, and that's Digize. Now again, internal oil, so you can add a drop to your water. If you're not a fan of how it tastes, you can put it in an empty vegetable capsule and swallow that. This is a blend made of things like tarragon and ginger and anise, things that are really supportive to the digestive system. Now, my favorite way to use this is actually tip my head back and I drop 1 drop right underneath my tongue. It's quick and it's easy. I always have this one on me, so thankfully I don't have to use it that much. But if I'm traveling or if I'm somewhere, my belly needs a little bit of TLC, I am glad to have this one on hand. Citrus Fresh. So we talked about lemon. Citrus Fresh actually has lemon in here, and it also has all of the other citrus oils that Young Living makes, plus spearmint. It is a very refreshing oil. I love to put this one in water as well. It would be great added to even a juice or tea or even fruit salad. Love to have this one on hand. It's awesome to have in the kitchen. Probably my favorite of the Vitality oils that come in this kit is Thieves. And I'm sure you've heard about Thieves before. Now, this is a blend of 5 oils: cinnamon, clove, lemon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. And these 5 oils are very supportive to the immune system. So although that's important all year round, in the fall and winter is when our immune systems could really use a little boost. Our favorite way to use this one is in cinnamon milk. My kids love it. So if you take, we use almond milk, but you can use your milk of choice, warm it up, add some local honey and 1 drop of Thieves and drink that down. Beautiful for the immune system and way better than sugary hot chocolates or other drinks that you may give your kids. This, not only do they love it and they enjoy it, but it's good for them too. We have Thieves pretty much almost every day. All right, let's talk about some oils that you can use topically on your skin, like Panaway. Panaway is great for muscles. This makes the most wonderful muscle rub. Now, if you have any men in your life who may not be on board with the oil train yet, rub them down with some Panaway. They will love it. It was actually my husband's first gateway oil. Add this to some coconut oil or any carrier oil. So if you're a beginner oiler, or definitely if you're using oils with kids, you want to dilute. So take a carrier oil like coconut oil or jojoba or almond oil or avocado oil. Young Living makes a beautiful blend called V6, which is actually a blend of 6 different carrier oils. Put a little bit of that in your hand. Remember, 1 drop in the palm of your hand. Rub your hands together and apply where you need it, wherever you're needing some TLC for your body. This is a great one. Some people say it smells like root beer or cream soda. I think it smells like wintergreen. It's really yummy. Okay, another one that I love on my skin is frankincense. Now, frankincense has been around for a very long time, right? They brought frankincense to baby Jesus. And frankincense is the headliner in Young Living's entire skincare line. Their skincare line is second to none, and frankincense is in all of those products. And the reason is because it's so restorative and regenerative for the skin. What I like to do in the morning is I put my moisturizer in my hand, I add a drop of frankincense. Again, do you see a theme here? You mix it all together and I apply it to my skin every day. Give it a shot for a month and you'll notice the changes in your skin. Frankincense is also very grounding, so people use it for meditation and yoga. If anybody in your house needs an attitude adjustment, you can throw a couple drops in the diffuser. I've even been known to put a couple drops straight on top of my kid's head because sometimes they just need it. Another oil that's wonderful to use topically is lavender. Now, lavender is considered the Swiss Army knife of oils because it's used for so many things. Lavender is actually an adaptogen, which means it adapts to what your body needs it for. So putting this on topically can be good for a whole slew of things. My favorite way to use lavender is at night to help everybody wind down and to prepare for a really restful night's sleep. We add some drops into the diffuser. The kids, my son has the dinosaur diffuser, my daughter has Young Living's dolphin diffuser, and they choose what oil goes in there every night, and quite often they use lavender. What a great way to start your day, though, too. If you wanted to start off, before you go to work or school, to start on a really even keel, throw some lavender in your diffuser. You can thank me later. Okay. Pretty much all year round, but sometimes in the winter, in the fall, you might need some help in the respiratory department, or even in spring and summer when grasses and flowers come up. Sometimes people need help breathing, help just opening things up. Well, now you're going to have Raven. Raven is great for that. You can make, again, a chest rub, like Panaway, we did a muscle rub. You can do a chest rub with Raven. Mix it in with the carrier oil of your choice. Rub it on your chest. Sometimes I like to get these empty roller bottles from Amazon. Again, fill with the carrier oil, couple drops of Raven, and then I have this on hand that I can use and just rub it on whenever I need it. We love Raven. All right, and now Valor. Valor promotes feelings of courage, of grounding. If I'm any place that I know I'm going to feel a little uneasy, let's say in traffic or crowds or going to the dentist or the kids' first day of school, Valor. I like to put a drop in my hand. I rub my hands together, cup them over my nose and my mouth, and take a deep inhale. And I breathe in, I like to say from my nose to my toes, get that big inhale in, and you'll see this is kind of a you have to see it to believe it sort of thing. Another great one at night for sleep. Now, when you've got this kit here, if you take this whole top tier out where your oils are, there's actually a treasure chest underneath. Underneath here, you're getting 2 more oils. You're getting stress away. The name says it all. If you have kids or a job, or you sit in traffic, or for any reason you might need to get some stress away in your life, now you've got an oil for it. And peace and calming, same sort of thing. The name kind of says it all. This one is great for kids and great for pets. There's an entire pets line that Young Living has. But this peace and calming, my dogs wouldn't get through a thunderstorm or even a big gust of wind if it wasn't for peace and calming. You're also going to get these little roller tops that come, 2 roller tops here, and you can pop these on any oils. Stress away and peace and calming will be great, but that's your choice. You're going to get a bottle of Thieves hand purifier. The world is a gross place, and you never know when you might need to keep your hands clean. This is great to throw in the kids' backpacks or in your purse. I always keep one in my car, even at my desk at work. Thieves waterless hand purifier. You're getting a sample of Thieves household cleaner. Now this is a concentrate, so you add this to a spray bottle and water. The directions are right in the back, but this will replace every cleaner in your house with this one thing. Cleans all surfaces and works like a charm. And you're getting 2 packs of Ningxia Red. Now this is Young Living's antioxidant berry puree based on the Ningxia wolfberry. It's a total body support. It's an amazing immune support. We drink about 1 to 2 ounces a day. You're getting 2 2-ounce packs right here in your kit. Now the other thing is this kit comes with your choice of diffuser. Now my favorite's right in the back over my shoulder there. That's the Desert Mist diffuser. It has 11 different light options, including a candle flicker one. That's great. But you get to choose if there's a different diffuser that you want. There's other options for you. All right, now, how do you get your hands on this stuff? Well, it's kind of a good, better, best sort of situation. So good would be buying retail. So let's say you just wanted 1 bottle of oil. You can get that retail, but you're paying full price, and I don't recommend it. The next option would be to get a starter kit, like this one we just talked about, the oil starter kit that comes with the diffuser. That you're getting the 12 bottles of oil, that entire treasure chest with the 2 additional bottles and all those other goodies underneath, and your choice of diffuser. And then you get 24% off everything in Young Living. And that kit is only $165. Now, the best option is to get a kit like this oils kit we just talked about, grab your diffuser with it, and the 24% off, and join Young Living's Essential Rewards program. Now, this is kind of like a monthly wellness box. Once you start, so Young Living, we talked about oils today, but Young Living has many other product lines. There's the skincare line that we talked about. There's non-toxic makeup. There's everything from laundry detergent and dish soap to shampoo and conditioner to supplements to everything that you might be getting at the store down the street. You can now transfer over and start getting those things from Young Living. You know you're getting them from a company you can trust that has pure therapeutic grade oils in all of their products. And it makes it really easy to start getting stuff, like I said, that you would be getting in another store. Get it from Young Living and start getting it drop shipped right to your door. So the Essential Rewards program is optional, but most people decide to jump right on board because guess what? At the beginning, right at month 1, you're getting 10% back. And at month 4, you jump to 20% back. And after you've been in the program for 2 years, you're at 25% back. Now those points accrue in your account and you use them as free cash for Young Living. And believe me, they add up fast. Now, the only minimum requirement is to spend 50 PV, which is about $50 per month. And again, when you start replacement buying and getting things like soap and laundry detergent and house cleaners from Young Living, again, that goes really fast. So I hope that was helpful. Now, if you want to get started with Young Living, please go back to the person that sent you this video, and they will help you get started. The process takes about 5 minutes. Then they will get you added to our team pages on Facebook and all of our amazing resources. We have a team here, and we are here to support you. We are here to guide you and help you on this oily journey. We would never want anyone to feel like they were alone in this. So I cannot wait to welcome you to our amazing team and our amazing oily family. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.